Welcome to your asynchronous day where you're going to be completing your soil case study infographic. Now, an infographic isn't necessarily a presentation that is a paper just split up into different sections. The things that I think are really important for an infographic in terms of a resource that is usable, presentable, teachable, and also concise are these things. Visceral quotes, meaning like really profound, impactful, emotional quotes from resources. Images and facts all really create a wow factor. You really want to think about those sticky points, those are really concrete ideas that just make people's brains explode thinking about why is this thing going on. Alongside that, data or graphs or statistics to help justify the problem severity and the what and the why might really help convince people that don't think this is a problem that maybe they need to reconsider their notion as to why soil might not matter. We really want to be able to use these two components to really inform people that the what, the why, and the now what are really important to understand for our overall global health. Now, when it comes to the writing, concise language is key. You want to be able to have this on a computer screen or a presentation format where it's easy for your audience to read while they listen to your presentation. Too many words that are chunky and blocky will make it really hard to have them read and follow and understand. Alongside that, really specific vocabulary that might be a little bit technical should be paramount in your presentation. You really want this to seem like an expert presentation and resource to help people learn, but at the same time, it should be easily read and easy to learn from. So you're going to give context and more information to those vocabulary words or those statistics so people don't get overwhelmed. Now, there's three sections that you want to be focusing on within your poster. The first is the what, and you're really thinking about introducing the problem, why that problem matters, what it impacts in terms of us, as well as the specific locations and places and processes or technologies all involved in the problem. What is the problem? What is going on? What are the things making this happen? Where is it happening? All of the basic details. Now, the why section is a little bit more nuanced. It's a little bit more difficult to maybe explain in concrete language, but you're really thinking about why this problem hasn't been solved. Like, who are the people? What are the powers? Why are the processes not changing? Why don't we solve this, or why haven't we solved this yet? And maybe we are starting to solve it, but why isn't it happening fast? Why is it maybe not the priority that we think we might need to have based on our research? And then finally, we have the now what. And the now what can really take shape based on your interest, your research, and your problem. You might be thinking about what will happen in the future if the problem continues, or how we could solve this problem in terms of giving things up and gaining things. How we, you and I, individuals in Vermont, might be involved with this problem, and whether or not we should even solve this. Are the costs of the solution too high relative to what the problem actually is? So when you look in the Jamboard that I have, here's my example. 3 really good images showing historical data of pesticide use and pesticide-resistant bacteria, and also the health impacts of using pesticides in the environment. I think that this is an okay infographic. I like the images. I like the figure captions. I think this is the right size and color of text, so it is easy to read. We are going to be presenting these in class on Thursday and Friday, so feel free to ask me questions if you are confused, you want me to take a look at it, or you need any help. Have a great day, and I will see you soon. Thank you.